Yo, what's up everybody? It's Tech Eternity and we're diving deep into the world of blockchain. Now you might be thinking, blockchain? That's just for Bitcoin, right? Wrong, it's so much bigger than that. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we think about money, transactions, and the entire financial system. What if I told you that the technology behind Bitcoin is silently rewriting the rules of global finance? From eliminating middlemen to securing your money like never before, blockchain is changing everything. Stay with us as we uncover the 5 game-changing ways blockchain is transforming global finance. Let's kick things off with decentralization. Think about how we typically handle financial transactions. You've got banks, payment processors, all these intermediaries taking their cut and slowing things down. Blockchain flips the script. It's like a digital ledger distributed across a massive network of computers. No single entity controls it, which means no more middlemen calling the shots. You want to send money across the world? Blockchain lets you do it directly, securely, and without those pesky transaction fees. We're talking about near instantaneous transfers 24/7 regardless of where you are. Decentralization also means greater transparency. Every transaction is recorded on the blockchain, visible to everyone on the network. This level of transparency makes it incredibly difficult for fraud to go unnoticed. All right, let's talk security. In the digital age, data breaches and cyber attacks are a constant threat. But blockchain brings a whole new level of security to the table. Every transaction on the blockchain is cryptographically secured and linked to the previous one, forming an unbreakable chain. Think of it like a digital fingerprint for each transaction, making it virtually impossible to tamper with. To alter a transaction, you'd have to alter every single block that came before it on every single computer on the network. A task so monumentally difficult, it's essentially impossible. And because there's no central point of control, blockchain is incredibly resistant to hacks. Traditional financial institutions are prime targets for hackers because they have centralized databases. With blockchain, there's no single point of failure. It's like trying to rob a bank that's spread across every corner of the globe simultaneously. Now let's talk about a pain point we can all relate to: cross-border payments. If you've ever sent money internationally, you know it can be a slow, expensive, and frustrating experience. But blockchain is here to change that. With traditional cross-border payments, you're dealing with multiple intermediaries, currency conversions, and a whole lot of paperwork. Blockchain streamlines the entire process. By eliminating intermediaries and using cryptocurrencies, blockchain allows for faster and cheaper cross-border transactions. Instead of waiting days for payments to clear, blockchain enables near instantaneous transfers. This is a game changer for businesses operating in the global marketplace, allowing them to pay suppliers and receive payments from customers around the world with ease. And because blockchain transactions are transparent and traceable, there's less risk of fraud or errors. Blockchain promotes financial inclusion by providing access to financial services for people who have been traditionally excluded from the traditional banking system. Let's dive into the world of smart contracts. Now, these aren't your typical legal documents. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements written in code and stored on the blockchain. Think of them like vending machines for agreements. You put in the right inputs and the contract automatically executes the agreed-upon terms. You write the terms of the contract in code and it's deployed to the blockchain. Once the predefined conditions are met, say a payment is received or a delivery is confirmed, the contract automatically executes the agreed-upon actions. No need for lawyers, no need for paperwork, just a secure and transparent system that ensures everyone holds up their end of the bargain. This has huge implications for everything from supply chain management to real estate transactions. Now let's talk about the social impact of blockchain. Over 1.7 billion people worldwide lack access to basic financial services like bank accounts and loans. This financial exclusion can trap individuals in poverty, limiting their opportunities and hindering economic growth. Blockchain offers a solution. Because it's decentralized and accessible through the internet, blockchain can provide financial services to anyone with a smartphone, regardless of their location or credit history. This means that people who were previously excluded from the traditional banking system can now access microloans, send and receive remittances, and build credit histories, all through their mobile devices. Imagine the possibilities. Farmers in developing countries can access microloans to invest in their crops. Entrepreneurs can secure funding for their businesses. Families can send money across borders without paying exorbitant fees. So there you have it, 5 ways blockchain is transforming global finance. From decentralizing transactions to creating a more inclusive financial world, blockchain is more than a trend. It's a revolution in the making. But this is just the beginning. What other industries could blockchain disrupt? And are we prepared for the challenges it brings? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the tech shaping our future.